Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook volume 2. All of you open your workbook volume 2. First row is completed, no? I am giving the second row. क्या short form is क्या long form is cape. cape cape is a long sound. Here long sound is given. hate hate is a long sound. Short sound is hat. Hat is a short sound. Hat head is a long sound. This is the short sound. Cub, cub, cub is a short sound. cube, cube is the long sound. mate, mate is a long sound. mat is a short sound. rat, rat is a short sound. rate is a long sound. site, sight is the long sound. sit is a short sound. hug, hug is a short sound word. hues is the long sound word. slide, slide is the long sound word. slid, slid is the short sound word. bee is the short sound word. beet, beat is the long sound word. care is the long sound word. car is a short sound word. fate, fate is a long sound word. fat is a short sound word. hop, hop is a short sound word. hope, hope is a long sound word. made is given, long sound is given. mad is a short sounded word. mad short sound word. made is a long sound word. Sound is long. Mad, made. not short sound. not, not long sound. rod is the short sound. road is the long sound. road is the long sound. tap short sound. tape is a long sound. plane long sound. plan short sound. bead is a long sound. bed is the short sound. coat is a long sound. cat short sound. ken long sound. cane is the long sound. cane is a long sounded word. Here Sinana. Cap, cap. cape. hat, head. cub, C-U-B-E, cube. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T-E, mate. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T-E, rate. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T-E, sight. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G-E, hues. S-L-I-D, slid. S-L-I-D-E, slide. B-E-E, bee. B-E-E-T, beat. C-A-R, car. C-A-R-E, care. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T-E, fate. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P-E, hope. M-A-D, mad. M-A-D-E, made. N-O-T, not. N-O-T-E, note. R-O-D, rod. R-O-A-D, road. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P-E, tape. P-L-A-N, plan. P-L-A-N-E, plane. B-E-D, bed. B-E-E-D, bead. C-A-T, cat. C-O-A-T, coat. C-A-N, can. C-A-N-E, cane. Okay, these are the short sounded words. These are the long sounded words. Okay, Nana? Next. Next, each picture is assigned a letter. Name each picture and above how Y is pronounced in its name. Then put the letter in the corresponding box. Here we have to write find out the names of the given pictures. Ikkada anni pictures icharu kada. What is this? Sky. What is this? This is a fruit. It is in red color. It is sweet. What is that? Cherry. Anna? Cherry fruit. Sweet ga untadi kada. Next, what is this? She is a ugly face. She is having ugly face. Ugly. All are Y letter. All the words are ended with Y. This all the words, all the names of the pictures, all the names of the pictures are ended with the Y. Y to ended chusara. This is baby, butterfly, currency, housefly, library. What is she doing? Cry. She's crying. Cry. Here is the puppy. It is robbery. Because he is a thief. He did the robbery. This is a family. This all the words are ended with Y. Amma, in the yesterday's class I explained some give the I sound and some give the E sound. కొన్ని ఐ సౌండ్స్ ఇస్తాయి, కొన్ని ఈ సౌండ్స్ ఇస్తాయి అని చెప్పాను కదా మీకు. హియర్ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ పిక్చర్స్. A is kite. This is the SKY, sky. What is the B word? Cherry. CHERRY, cherry. C word is ugly. UGLY, ugly. Next, D one is baby. BABY, baby. E, what is this picture? What is this? Butterfly. Do you like butterfly? This is the butterfly. It is currency. It is currency. G, this is a housefly. What is this? Housefly. housefly. What is this? Library. Library. What is this? What is she doing? She's crying. Means a cry. C-R-Y, cry. What is this? Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. He did the robbery. What did he do? He's a thief. He is a thief. Did the robbery. R-O-B-B-E-R-Y. Robbery. What is this? This is a family. A family cheppandi. This is a small family, nuclear family. Avuna? Father, mother and having 2 children. It is a nuclear family. Family. Here, now we have to divide them. January, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January is given, and here July is given. Here, now divide them. January, January, July, July, January, E sound. July, July, I sound. Now we have to divide the words into E sound and the I sound. Sky, sky, I sound now. Sky, I sound. So we have to write in the I sound. No need to write the word. Word రాయకుండా మనం A అని రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. Write A. Sky. I sound. Cherry. 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 C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. E sound. So we have to write B here. B is there, no? B. What is the B word? Cherry. Right here B word. B and రాయాలి. Word రాయకుండా B and రాయాలి. Next, ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. What is ugly? Here. I sound. Ugly. I sound. Sorry, Nana. Ugly. E. Ugly. E sound. Right here, see. Baby. Baby. E sound. Right here, D. The E sound. Butterfly. Butterfly. I sound. Butterfly. I sound. So, right here, E. Currency. Currency. E sound. Currency. E sound. Right in the E sound. F. Housefly. I. Housefly. Housefly. I sound now. అప్పుడు మనం వర్డ్ రాయకుంటే ఏం రాయాలి ఇక్కడ? G అని రాయాలి. ఓకే? వర్డ్ రాయకుండా మనం లెటర్ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే? లైబ్రరీ. లైబ్రరీ. ఈ సౌండ్. లైబ్రరీ. ఈ సౌండ్. రైట్ ఇన్ ద ఈ సౌండ్. Cry. Cry. I sound. Right here, I. Puppy. 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 E sound. Family. Family. It is also I sound. Robbery. It is also E sound. K and L also right here. Sky. Sky. Cherry. E sound. Ugly. E sound. Baby. E sound. Butterfly. I sound. Currency. E sound. house fly, I sound. Library, E sound. Cry, I sound. Puppy, E sound. Robbery, E sound. Family, E sound. ఇక్కడ ఇంకొన్ని రౌండ్స్ పెట్టుకొని రాయండి ఇక్కడ K and L also. Okay? Workbook is finished, Nana. Tomorrow I will explain activity book. Today's class is completed. Bye.